You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. Indeed, many get it wrong, cannot pronounce it properly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Catholic religion, the Bible, stay tuned as well. Diocesan is usually how it's pronounced. Diocesan. Now the Americans will say it more as diocesan, diocesan or diocesan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.